2001 20th MCQ. Relative humidity need to be increased. Right. First statement, you want to add vapor mass there. Right. When you adding vapor mass, right, relative humidity, there are four equations in your syllabus. Right. One equation is relative humidity is equal to vapor mass that instant. You need to divide by saturated vapor mass multiplied by 100%. When you adding vapor mass, this number going to increase. Then as a result of that, relative humidity increases. We need to increase that. Yes, A is okay. Right. The second one, temperature of the chamber need to be lower. Yes, when you are decreasing the temperature, we know it's getting closer to dew point. At the dew point, we know relative humidity is 100%. That's why dew occur. Then, while you decrease in the temperature, you can achieve that. Therefore, B also correct. Now, what we are going to do in third one, we want to decrease the volume of the chamber. Right. Another definition for relative humidity is absolute humidity at that instant. You need to divide by absolute humidity at saturation point. Then you need to multiply that one by 100%. Actually, this one won't change while you are keeping the temperature constant when you are decreasing the volume. But absolute humidity is vapor mass divided by the volume. When you are decreasing the volume, your absolute humidity goes up. As a result of that, this one goes up means relative humidity also goes up. Then with this one, you can increase the relative humidity. Therefore, these all statements are correct. Answer 5.